Welcome. If you want to enable or disable NFC in your Motorola Edge 20, then first you have to go for the settings. Next, pick connected devices. Tap on connection preferences and click on NFC. Right now tap on the switcher to enable or disable NFC in your smartphone. You can also enable it and show NFC icon on the right upper corner bar. When you enable this option, you are also able to manage contactless payments. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.